9 easy-to-use tips for weight loss. Eat high-protein breakfast. Eating a high-protein breakfast that helps reduce cravings and calorie intake throughout the day. Avoid sugary drinks and fruit juices. One study showed that drink water before eating food reduce the calorie intake. This is very easy and effective weight loss way. Choose weight loss friendly foods. Some foods are better than others for weight loss. Some weight loss friendly foods. List is given as. Eat soluble fiber. Studies show that soluble fiber is the main reason it promotes weight loss. Fiber supplements like Java Burn can also help. Drink coffee or tea. Consuming caffeine can boost your metabolism. Base your diet on whole foods. They are healthier, more filling, and less likely to be eaten than processed foods. Eat slowly. Eating quickly can lead to weight gain over time, while eating slowly can make you feel full and increase weight loss hormones. Get good quality sleep. Because sleep is very important to promote weight loss, and poor sleep is the biggest reason for weight gain. Weight loss supplements called Java Burn, which is very effective for rapid weight loss without any side effects. The link of this product is given in the description. Buy from there. Please subscribe our channel and like our videos for more weight loss.